Korea's manufacturing sector has expanded in recent years, but experts say it is now too dependent on the IT industry, and they're calling for a more balanced export structure. Our Connie Kim explains further.
Korea's manufacturing sector has grown over the years, but a recent study shows it's heavily dependent on the IT industry, prompting calls for diversification. The Hyundai Research Institute's Index of Technology developed for exports in different countries shows the figure for Korea in 2013 was 106.9, lower than Japan and Germany, but higher than the U.S. A higher reading means the country's exports were created with more advanced technology. Korea lagged behind the three countries in 2000, but caught up in 2013. But it's not all welcome news. More than a quarter of Korean exports in the manufacturing sector in 2013 were products that came from the IT industry. The figure for the semiconductor and electronic parts industry stood at 107 in the same year, higher than Japan and the U.S. Adding to the woes is the growth of China's exports. The figure for China's iron and steel exports stood at 104.5 in 2013, behind the U.S., Korea, Japan, and Germany. But the figure is nearly 15 points higher than it was in 2000. Looking at the index for petrochemical products, the gap between Korea and China is less than 5 points. With China's move in recent years to build global production sites, there are worries that Korea may be squeezed between China and developed countries. Experts say there's a need for Korea to develop policies to foster growth in industries such as iron, steel, and petrochemical products. Connie Kim, Arirang News.